What's up, man? Y'all got some blood?
Yo, dude, you got some dank?
Yeah, you know what's up.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's twist up that con real quick, man. I got a 50 gin in my pocket, yo.
Yo, hold up. Let me grab my lighter, man.
You got some vodka, though?
Yeah, word, man.
Light that shit up.
Throw it down with that tonic.
Hey, so what's up, man? What you finna do, man?
Yo, man, let's jump in the bucket, man.
Word, man. Let's go some lane.
Let's roll in the ride, you know what I'm saying?
Kicking it with my tribe and the plan, you know we got it going on. Taking hits of the blood, so trace past the bone to the next man. I'm constantly on a mission, the type getting wrecked, so I think it's worth a listen. Now, the next episode, part 2, I got the tonic, then I mix it with the vodka. I ain't an alcoholic, I'm the cool Asiatic with the mentadelic flow. Taking J's to the head as I watch my niggas go to the fade mode. We're chillin', everything's going fine. Dropping the chronic beats as I go on to the next line of my dope rhyme. Yeah, my shit be getting mad props. The tribe's getting down with the crazy fat knots. Watch the smoke rising, yo, it's getting to be a trip. Sit my ass down, grab my drinks, take a sip. But son wants to roll, cause it's getting kinda hot. So we jump into the bucket and we're headed for the spot.
Rolling in the ride and it's definitely drop.
Got my homies in the back and we're cruising down the block.
You know the shit is on if the suckers start to hot.
Until the break of dawn, you know it don't
Y'all
stop.
come rolling in your ride. Them true Asiatic y'all come legalize it. Y'all come rolling in your ride down the street. You're looking for the kind. Put 'em up.
So pass me the Philly so I can huff and puff it. The traces in the hair straight, kicking it kinda rough, kid. With the tribe on my side. Always dropping the sucker preppies with the Asiatic hoorah. A Filipino G, that's how they see me. Packing a Glock 9 and a little baby Uzi.
Legalize it. And rock 'em up in style. In case I come one never dies it.
So kick your hoe to the curb, cause mine is finer. I'm slamming the funky rhymes just like my boy Harold Miner. It's the West Coast flavor in effect. Dropping the funky jams with the shop that I